Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Transit 250. Coming in this lovely white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by the 3.5-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities. And taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing. We got a little tow hook there, backup camera. We do got that all-wheel drive logo, some nice black and silver rims, got that black trim along this vehicle, keyless entry keypad, remote start, which is pretty nice for the cold winter months. So you got some long arm mirrors so you can see better. And move to the front real quick, we do get front park sensing, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get two doors to open in the back, or you can just use one, totally up to you. You got a step to get to your back. Vinyl floor interior. You can set this vehicle up however you please, and you do get rear cabin lighting, which is pretty nice. To open the other door, you just slide this, and you can lock and unlock it from there, which is all pretty handy. And we do get a nice rear sliding door just on that side. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see we do have a manual driver's seat and passenger seat with black and gray cloth interior, plenty of door space on either side, powered locks, windows, you have power adjustable mirrors, lights, auto stop auto start, parking brake, a little storage here, cup holder, and plenty of storage on the dash with a nice little outlet there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see that the odometer is sitting at 41 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone, playback, play forward, volume and voice, cruise control, lane centering, digital speedometer with my view, trip and economy, status info, vehicle maintenance, trip, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got a little step to get to the back here. Pretty nice. You do get your cabin lights here as well, so you can turn them on or off. And you do get upper head storage as well, which is all pretty handy. And here you got cup holders, gear select, USB, 12-volt hazards, volume, drive modes, comm screen, and park sensing you can turn on or off. Storage below. Nice big infotainment system with audio, phone, settings, features, and apps. Climate controls at the bottom. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Siri. Not Siri, it's just Bluetooth. A phone. You got your settings here. Pretty easy to use. With features of the vehicle, such as driving assist, drive modes, and any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KA53277, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.